How to crochet into the back of a foundation chain. Crochet projects often begin with a series of chain stitches called a foundation chain. In this video, we'll show you how to work into the back bumps of a foundation chain using single crochet stitches, US terminology. Once you have created your foundation chain, you'll tilt the chain slightly so you can see the bumps at the back more easily. Our first single crochet will be worked into the second bump from the hook. Insert your hook through the bump, then yarn over and pull a loop through to the front. You'll now have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and draw through both loops. You'll now have 1 loop remaining on your hook, and you have completed your first single crochet through the back bump of the foundation chain. Continue to work through the back bumps until your first row is completed.